I'm Marvin from GODAI Studio Singapore. I created a cinematic wedding music video made entirely with AI. No crew, no fancy gear, just imagination and the right tools. And in this series, I'll teach you how to make your own dream AI wedding video featuring yourself. From a single idea and one prompt, an entire vision begins to form. Every image, every motion, handcrafted by AI to tell love through time. In this series, you'll discover how each scene comes alive, from story vision and prompting to animation, sound, and cinematic editing. This is where imagination becomes film. Your AI wedding DIY video journey starts here. And these are some of the AI platforms and software that I have used. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment to learn how to make your dream AI video.